And welcome back to If Your Finance. Today I want to talk about how to make dollars. Okay, so you know what dollars means? $10, $100, $1,000, $1 million. Okay, but I took a medium size of dollars, like $1,000. Okay, so yeah, in this video I clearly define you how to make $1,000 in a day or 24 hours. Okay, I am also a case study of a person and he lives in US and that he had $1,000 in a day. And then on a very specific study, I also share with you in this video. Okay, so watch this video till the end, and I am a business man to make $1,000 in a day. Okay, so let's jump on to $1,000 in just 34 hours. Okay, one day means 24 hours. Okay, in the very man. Okay, so model and $1,000 in just 24 hours. Okay, we can see. And this guy with practical strategy that everyday Americans use to generate substantial income quickly that you are facing an unexpected express or looking to accelerate your financial growth. These proven that us can help you reach your goals with focus and determination. Okay, so what I can tell you. Okay, so first of all, real life story from bro to $1,000 in a day. Okay, here's a bad practical story. Yeah, you can easily understand how he made $1,000 in a day. Okay, so let's say just 10 years ago, this American underdog was homeless. Okay, and the son to make ends meet 40 years he has invested over two entire companies and runs a multiple successful businesses. His turning point came when he earned his first $1,000. Okay, and has seen only by offering high-value services to local businesses. And this the moment production that leverage income generation was possible with a right mindset and approach. As the story proved that with determination, focus, and the strategic answer, transforming your financial situation carry is within reach. Imagine you are starting from you. Okay, so I think you understand here millions of dollars, but past email earning $1,000 promise one or offer high-value services to local businesses. Okay, so it's a very small thing, yeah, but if you start from small and you gain these your highest level, okay, so there's a, I think, so the story, yeah, you understand that you can easily start it. Next, I'm a fastest US methods to make $1,000. Okay, fastest US method is you in the US. Okay, so this video is specifically for you. So most of all, use the unused items. You can sell your unused items. There are so many platforms like you gather electronics, jewelries, and more holdings into cash to eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Postwap. Okay, these are the famous platforms where to selling up unused items. Okay, and many Americans have 2,000 plus what of unused items in their homes. Okay, so you can, I think, and you can purchase unused items from homes in the US. Okay, and then you sell these items very high it. Okay, so and you easily get that also. Okay, you purchase on lower class price and you sell that high price, then you easily capitalism. Okay, here's a very simple manner. If you have not unlimited items, you can also do this. And next method is freelance services. Okay, revolutionary forms like Upwork or Fiverr. These are what made famous platform but the start freelancing monk. Okay, so the video comes like a power pair to all way. But offer writing, designing, or learn services. The union is good not wording or marketing can hammer $1,300 plus per hour. Okay. Tarmac method is gig the column. Okay, so that for one all levered for or diagonal for dual door does and strike in star hard. Okay, but the strategic dying and the Caucasian choices Dallas can are 292 $300 daily doing P. Peters. Okay, you can eat it in your bundes. Okay, next. That is Blimping items. Okay, Blimping items means that you buy under regular items on categorized through stores or Western says. Okay, instead says that resell for proper with eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Palatable lectures over the higher miles. So I think rather you're the center. These are the keywords readily up. Or to make $1,000 in a day in the US. Okay, flashes, you can sell a few titles, and you can easily start up communism is dark or business. Okay, like you budgets and use item crow house. Okay, and but on the lower price, and you can then sell higher place. Okay, and in then it's done Pilates bank. Pilates is on a verbal camel. These are very it was good for me. And the all in on sale, you can stand yard or read or drive it. Okay, or where does the stock out? Okay, building items. Okay, I think you understand if you are living in the US, so I think you should start around the you should done above or from these items. Okay, so I think you could choose one according to choice, according to and yourself. Okay. Next, I learned about slide nozzles, hex, exploratives. Okay, that also mean head us or heads to make more money or to start a side some. Okay, so there are some tips you can follow if you are a new person. You don't know about what the side income and how to make $1,000 or how to start your earning. Okay, so master or it is with dead multiple cells. Okay, this dead multiple cells. Okay, combine the launching with items or lies with through delivery to accelerate in earnings. Okay, first, your day. You withstand multiple cells. Second, delivery is specialized. The specialized discuss. Okay, there is a specialized discuss. Okay, over I support retro-resistant or mind-beating services that come under the annual years of $50 plus per hour. Okay, next, utilize digital marketplace. Okay, you can utilize your digital marketplace like Task Merit, Paramount, or Pumdeck, connecting her diet in. Connecting that in with plans needed immediate help. Okay, so if you work consistently on $1 per day, $1 per day of 50 days or 50 days per week. Okay, so that does need to anything pressure like 260 and that 260,000 a month dollar. Okay, and will come. So I think if you follow this, you should get it. Your income will be $260 wow per ad okay. So I think you can follow this. As you can easily have that in the lab, these points, past the summary puzzles, live with specialized screws, and into that digital marketplace. Okay, next, you being excellent. Okay, you should start right now. Okay, so they excel your $1,000 stars now. First of all, and render your assets. Your You can do invent in your assets. Okay, what resources you have. Okay, use another importance of your assets. Okay, like the skills you educate on your other hobbies. Okay, and the boredom and the whatever knowledge you have, or boredom skills you have. Okay, so you understand, or you can limit your assets. Okay, do that get honest of your marketing skills, then your businesses, then your time goals. Okay, that's the in immediate listings. Okay, you get immediate listings. Okay, like list 10 plus articles for sale on that at like 2 to 5 gig opportunities before we go bad good night. Okay, that you focus on an efforts. You focus your efforts. Okay, Jules and Martin Drew. Man, their alignment between strength and variable resources. Avoid speeding your insurance today. Okay, next, take massive action. You take a massive action. Okay, success comes from intimidation, not just noise. Okay, you're doing and line. Okay, then you collect those, yeah, do in plus hours on the back to wire your 1,000 learn. Okay, here's a base symbol over met that. You just follow program now. Okay, pastel war, implementing your assets, then give that immediate listings, then for affiliate efforts, then give mercenaries on. Okay, then you will went to your room to 1,000 dollar. Okay, so when you're nothing, then you can easily make 1,000 per month in a day. If you follow these tips or methods also. Okay, so we should doubt the house can document those, and if you are moving the show, there's a spam service you will reduce like this. So see you guys for him, Basil.